Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest advancements in modern agriculture. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at some of the most advanced and innovative farm machinery that you probably didn't even know existed. From self-driving tractors to drones, we'll be covering it all. So let's get started. First up, we have self-driving tractors. These tractors use advanced GPS and mapping technology to navigate fields and perform tasks autonomously. They can plant, cultivate, and harvest crops all on their own, without the need for a human operator. This not only saves time and increases efficiency, but also reduces the need for labor, which can be a significant cost for farmers. Next, we have robotic milkers. These machines can milk cows automatically and are becoming increasingly popular on dairy farms. The robotic milker uses sensors to detect when the cow is ready to be milked and attaches suction cups to the udder. The milk is then pumped into a tank and the machine cleans and sterilizes itself before the next cow comes in. Robotic milkers not only save time and labor but also ensure that the milking process is consistent and hygienic. Moving on, we have drones. Drones have a wide range of applications in agriculture, from mapping and surveying fields to spraying crops and pesticides and fertilizers. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can capture detailed images of crops which can then be analyzed to identify areas that require attention. Drones can also be used to monitor crop health, identify pest infestation and detect water stress. Finally, we have vertical farming systems. These are indoor farming setups that use stacked layers to grow crops vertically. The systems are highly efficient and can produce crops year-round, regardless of weather conditions. Vertical farms also use significantly less water and pesticides than traditional farming methods, making them more sustainable and eco-friendly. Automated planters. These machines can plant seeds in a row with incredible precision, ensuring that each seed is spaced out perfectly for optimal growth. They can plant crops much faster than humans, saving time and increasing efficiency. Soil sensors. These sensors can be placed in fields to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels. The data collected by these sensors can be used to optimize irrigation and fertilization schedules, leading to healthier crops and higher yields. Harvest robots. These machines are designed to pick fruits and vegetables automatically. They use advanced vision systems and gripping technology to identify and gently harvest ripe produce without damaging it. This saves time and labor and can reduce the amount of produce that goes to waste due to harvesting errors. Smart irrigation systems. These systems use sensors and weather data to automatically adjust watering schedules based on the needs of the crops. They can be programmed to deliver the right amount of water to each plant, reducing water waste and ensuring the crops receive the optimal amount of moisture. Autonomous grain carts. These carts can be programmed to follow self-driving combines around fields, automatically collecting and transporting grain. They can save farmers time and labor during harvest season and reduce the risk of accidents associated with manual grain cart operation. These are just a few more examples of the many advanced modern farm machinery available to farmers today. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting innovations in the fields of agriculture. And there you have it, folks, some of the most advanced and innovative farm machinery that you probably didn't know existed. These advancements are changing the face of agriculture, making farming more efficient, sustainable, and productive than ever before. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.